Kuwa mbere ni Monday, Monday. Kuwa kabiri ni Tuesday, Tuesday. Kuwa gatatu ni Wednesday, Wednesday. Kuwa kane ni Thursday, Thursday. Kuwa gatanu ni Friday, Friday. Kuwa gatandatu ni Saturday, Saturday. Ku cyumweru ni Sunday, Sunday. Mutarama ni January, January. Gashyantare ni February, February. Werurwe ni March, March. Mata ni April, April. Gicurasi ni May, May. Kamena ni June, June. Nyakanga ni July, July. Kanama ni August, August. Nzeri ni September, September. Ukwakira ni October, October. Gushyingo ni November, November. Ukuboza ni December, December.